Hello, welcome students. Here we will continue our chapter, that is chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. Our topic is top 10 scores in Cricket World Cup. Now I am going to explain this page on board. This column shows the name of the players. This also shows the name of the players. Here are showing the scores. Here also. Score means runs which they have made in the World Cup. APJ scores, that means APJ 128 runs in World Cup, AS 100 runs, CK 99 runs, DM 162 runs, KSP 152 runs, MD 178 runs, PK 105 runs, ST 141 runs, TPK 112 runs, VVS 127 runs. These are the table. Now we solve the questions from this table. The first question is that CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? We already learnt about the word century. Century means 100 runs. So how many runs scored in CK? CK scored 99 runs. So for making the century, how many runs he need? He need 1 run to make the century. Now the second question is dash and dash scored almost equal runs. Now look it in the table. So which player scored almost equal runs? See here 128 runs scored by APJ and 127 runs scored by the VVS. Here we have to find the runs which almost equal. So 128 and 127. It's not equal because it's near to be equal. We can say almost equal. So these two players scored almost equal run. So here we write here APJ, VVS. See in the another answer, which in this table, which two runs are almost equal? So see, 100 runs and 99 is almost equal. So here we write the name of AS and that is the CK. These two players also scored almost equals. Now third question is dash scored a complete century. No less, no more. Now look at it in the table. Complete century means 100 runs. So which player has completed 100 runs? That is the AS. So here we have to write the name of the player, that is AS. Now fourth question is most runs scored by any batsman are. So in this table, which number is the highest? That is 178. So 178 scored by MD. That is the most run. So the fifth question is dash and dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. Now look at into table. See these 2 runs, 100 and 99. So difference between the 2 runs is 1. So name of the player is AS and CK. So write down here AS and CK. But we can get one more answer from the table. So another option is the run 128 runs and 127 runs. The difference between these 2 runs is also 1. So the another answer is APJ and the player is VVS. These 2 players answer score is also between 1 number. Now the sixth question is dash scored 2 more than 1.5 century. So which player scores 2 more than 1.5 century? 1.5 century means 150 runs. 2 more than. So we have to add 2. So number is 152. So look at in the table 152 scored by the KSP. The name of the player is KSP. Counting in tens means 10, 20, 30. We add 10 numbers and we easily get the next number. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 plus 10. So we get the number 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. Then 70, 80, 90 and 100. So by adding the 10 we get the number easily. So 110, when we add 10, so we get number 120. When we add 10 again, so 130. Next number 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Okay, so 310, we add 10, So we add 10, so we get 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390 and 400. Now see here, 720 is given, but we are not having the previous number. So we have to subtract 10, so the number is 710. Now next number, for finding the next number we have to add 10, so 730, then 740, 750, 760, 770, 780 is given, so 790 and that is 800. As we have counted tens in previous exercise, here we have to counting in 50. So we have to add 50 for getting the next answer. 200 plus 50, so we get 250. Now 250 plus 50, so we get the next answer. 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 0, 2 plus 1, 3. So we get the 300. Then we add 300 plus 50, so 350. 350 plus 50, so we get 400. 400 plus 50, so the next answer is 450. Okay, so now see, 550 plus 550, so we get 600. Then 650 plus 50, so we get 700. 750 plus 50, so we get 800. Hope you all understand the number with fun. See you in next video with more fun. Bye bye.